Fitting the Scotia bead is quick and easy. First of all, you need to remove all of your packs. Then you're going to have to cut your Scotia bead down at 45-degree angles so it meets in the corner. And you want them to meet nice and tight in the corner there. So I'm going to cut them at 45 by using a hacksaw blade and this little mitering block. That fits into that corner. And then you get your opposite one, cut that down at 45. Perfect. Just like that. So while the bead is not stuck to the skating board, I'm going to take a pen and do a very faint line onto the skating board. Then I can move it, apply my 3C's multi-use on the skating board only to fix the bead into position. This way, it doesn't need any tacks or nails. Now the reason we apply the glue to the skating board and not the floor is so the bead sticks to the skating board, and that allows the floor to move if it does happen to expand at any point. Then where the beads meet, you can cut them on a fraction of an angle to create a scarf joint. For more how-to videos and top tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about the vast range of 3C's products, head over to their website.